to study for exams, tips and tricks. In this video, we will cover some tips and tricks to help you prepare for any exam. Tips and tricks to help your learning. Take regular breaks. Set yourself a time block in which you are focused and dedicated to your studying. Once that time block is up, take a short break and repeat the process. Active recall. Active recall is basically when you quiz yourself. You are encouraging your brain to come up with the answer by itself. Practice testing is a great way to enhance your memory, recall important information, as well as become familiar with exam-like questions. Adjust what's not working. Whether it's memorization, grasping a concept, or you feel your study methods aren't effective. Stop sinking time into what's not working and step away from your work and ask yourself the following questions. What am I currently doing that is not working? Can I find a different resource that may be able to help? Can I ask someone for help? Can I change my study routine? Do I need to take a break? So let's recap. Remember to take regular breaks, make use of active recall or any other method of memorization that works for you, and lastly, adjust what isn't working.